Good morning. This is Seth Nagel with the National Weather Service here in San Angelo, Texas. And this is the Monday weekly briefing as of July 7th, 2025. The main concerns, obviously, right now are the additional showers and thunderstorms that we're going to see today across much of the area, mainly south of Interstate 20. We do have at least a slight to moderate risk for excessive rainfall across areas generally south of Cross Plains to Ballinger to Mertzen and over to Ira Ann Line. This moderate risk means there's at least some potential and likely some flash flooding due to very heavy rainfall in these areas. And as a matter of fact, we've already issued a couple of flash flood warnings for southern Brown County and also for southern McCulloch County. These isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms will continue to develop across the area and move into farther western counties as we go through the day today, likely making it into the Concho Valley this afternoon and also the northern Edwards Plateau, Sonora, Ozona areas later today as well. Rainfall totals with these thunderstorms will typically be in the 1 to 2 inch range, but we could see some higher amounts up to 2 to 4 inches, and again, mainly in the slight and moderate risk areas, with even some higher totals, isolated totals possible. As a result of that, we do have the flash flood watch that continues through this evening through 7 p.m. tonight. We do expect these showers and thunderstorms to end fairly quickly after 7 p.m., probably completely ending by 9 p.m. tonight. So that's why the flash flood watch runs through 7 p.m. Here's a visual image of the marginal, slight, and moderate risk areas for the excessive rainfall. As we can see here, there's the slight and moderate risks. Of course, the moderate risk is centered over our southern and southeastern counties because that's where there's the highest potential for more scattered or widely scattered development. We're expecting less coverage. The most coverage of these thunderstorms is expected in the moderate risk area, and a little bit less coverage in the slight and marginal risks. Here's a graphic of the San Saba River at San Saba. It is now well below flood stage, but is expected to rise back up over the next day or so due to the heavy rainfall that we're receiving today. The River Forecast Center in Fort Worth has put out a forecast bringing the river back up into minor flood stage at 25 feet, roughly 25 feet, what it's expected to crest at, 24.7 to be exact, and that we should see some minor lowland flooding with the river at this height. Here's a look at the long-range outlooks. We can see the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook looks like near or above normal for temperatures in our area. And as far as precipitation goes, we do have a minor signal for somewhat above normal for precipitation out beyond the 7-day forecast as well. The latest drought outlook, which has not been updated yet this week, it'll be updated later this week, likely going to be losing some of these drought conditions in our southern counties where we've received rainfall. So this is just the current monitor from last week. So with the additional rainfall this week, we would expect these areas to be reduced. Once again, these are our local regions. We've got Big Country, Heartland, Concho Valley, Northwest Hill Country, and Northern Edwards Plateau. And that's a briefing for this week. Please check back this Thursday for the next briefing. That'll be out by noon on Thursday. Thanks.